All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Sunday's prepositions. So astride, astride, stretching, stretching across, astride. The mountain is astride from the coast. We were astride from the mountain. Their house was astride, astride from mine, astride from mine. There and here. The computer is astride from me. He is astride from us on the other side. She thinks it is astride from here. She thinks it is astride from here. No, it is next to. Yeah. I am astride from them in the office. Astride from them in the office. How cool is that? Yes, we have he, she, I, they, and it. So they were planning. Oh, let's change this. They were planning to go astride to the other side of the city. Yeah. How cool is that? It has always been astride from here. From here. Well, that is a good place for it. It's always been astride from here. That's a good place for it. How cool is that? He put it astride from the others. Yeah, to the other side, other section. Why did you put it astride just now? Why? The mountain is astride from here, yet quite far away. Yeah. How cool is that? He is planning and landing astride the field. So other side of the field, in the field, yeah. When do you think it will be astride? So when will it be far away? It might just be astride from us a short distance away. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use astride in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as searching for Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.